guys, I'm about to do a very short tutorial, but I'll be showing you how to play Roblox or any other game that's like blocked or something on your school computer. Watch this. Okay, first, go ahead and whatever you have. This app has to have Google access. I'll show you by that later. I'll talk about that. You want to go up here, find the Play Store if you have it, or anything you download your apps with. Find the Play Store. Click on Play Store. Once you get to the Play Store, you want to go ahead and just download any app you have. If you're part of the Woodford County, you go have Lobster, whatever this is. Open. If you, most likely it'll say install if you haven't used it before. Open up Lobster. Okay, after you open up Lobster, don't worry about none of this sign crap. Just go down to here to Google Classroom. Go down and press sign in with Google Classroom. Whatever you do, do not sign in with anything with your email or phone. Do not sign in with nothing, okay? Do not sign in with a single thing. Just go down to privacy right here. Click on privacy. It'll pop up here. Just go ahead and click on related privacy practices. Scroll all the way down, Then you go down here, and you should, I don't know if my camera's going to focus, but like right here it should say Google. Where my mouse is, hold up. It should say Google right there, or somewhere in that general area. It should say Google down here. Click on Google, and it opens up Google. You can do absolutely everything, mostly everything that you would normally have blocked on your normal like browser. Like if I wanted to go over here and click on the normal Google or this Chrome, whatever it is, and I would search up maybe like TikTok or something. TikTok, you want to click on, you'll find TikTok right here, you click on it, and then it'll say blocked. Remember, you see the classic blocked thingy. So, go ahead, and let's do this on here, and I'll show you that this works. In fact, it does work. So, TikTok opens up TikTok. You can go like wherever you want, make your day or TikTok. Suggest you click on this. You can sign into your account and all that crap, but I suggest you don't, because you can just watch more TikTok. You can make your own videos and all that crap too. Takes a while for it to load up, but eventually you have full access to almost every app. So you can have, like, you press play. It might have that big thing, I think, because it's loading in, but trust me, it does work. Look at this. Watch. Just wait. See, has like all the videos and crap. Why did that pop up? Okay, whoa. Whoa. What the? You can like go to profile and all that crap. Log in your profile. You can go to discovery. You can discover all your crap and stuff if it would load. I'm not sure if this works though. Okay, no, this works. Okay, all you see that the dog is like it's a normal discovery that you have on like an iPad or like a Chromebook, of course, like this without the Woodford County crap on it. So after all this, you can like scroll through TikTok basically. Takes a while for the sound to load in, but after that, sound should load in after a while. So like, say right here, you gotta wait a little bit for the sound load in, but after sound load in, you can just watch TikTok normally. Might not work, but for right now, it might not work because I'm on a recording, so it's definitely not gonna work because it's stupid. Like, you can press down on your thing. I'm pretty sure press down again. I'm pretty sure, or you can just like, pretty sure just with your like mouse, you can just go.
Trying to delete an ugly photo I had taken of him somehow.
See, you can like, I'm pretty sure you can like scroll. Yeah, you can scroll and stuff. You just have to use your thing. I don't know about a mouse. Might be really laggy pressing like the scroll wheel or like the little scroll up thingy, but eventually it does go to the other thing. But what is this, bro? What is this, bro? But like you see, you can basically do anything. I'm gonna do another app. I'm gonna do another tutorial how to play Roblox on here. You can do that. It's extremely laggy if you freaking like punch your Chromebook almost every time, but it'll get better if you have like a better Chromebook. But okay, go back all this crap. Oh, not that large. Okay, well, get the gist. I'm gonna stop the recording and I'll be right back. After that, I'm back, and I was gonna say you can basically like do anything on here. I'm pretty sure you can also copy down things. So let me just search up funny. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure you can just like download stuff too. It always looks like the old Google, but I'm pretty sure you can like download funny gifs and crap. If you left right click on it, I'm pretty sure you can just right click on it and it should like pop up. It's a little laggy because my Chromebook sucks, but I'm pretty sure I can also like watch YouTube, and all the videos that were originally blocked are not blocked anymore too. So like if you wanted to watch a video but it was blocked because it had like weapons and crap in it, pretty sure you're good now. Go to YouTube and it should be all unblocked. You can like sign to your account and all that crap too. See, start searching. I'm pretty sure if I can go down to here to you, yes, get signed in. Let me sign in real quick, guys. I signed into my account on my YouTube, and I'm pretty sure you can just do all the stuff you're saying. You can just do all the same stuff. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, wait, let's just go back. See if something happened. Let's go back. Okay, look. All this YouTube stuff popped up. All this stuff popped up, obviously. You can just go, like, my channel, I'm pretty sure. If I go down to you... Oh, okay, no. Click the channel you want, I guess. Tickles. That's my channel. Go subscribe. For sure, go subscribe. Okay. Then now, you can go down to, like, you and stuff, and... Your channel can be like, you can like post videos in school now. It's crazy how people don't know how this is happening. Like I can go to like channel and crap, and I can go like, I can just watch the videos I want and stuff. Like I can go to videos, I can go to my channel, I can go all my stuff. I can go to watch one of my videos if I want to. Boom, boom, shakalaka. I can like just watch my videos, let it load real quick. Hope this works. Okay, yo, it's definitely working. The things are loading beside, most likely it works. Let it load. Probably the one likes probably me. Probably is, because nobody watches my no more. Okay, I'm not famous. See? Might be like really laggy, but it's YouTube, so hold up. You go to quality. It can be like all the way up to my video can all the way up to 140p. It should work. Might take a while to load, so I'll give you a moment. Let's do this real quick. So it does work. It's extremely laggy, but it does work. So that's a good thing. Maybe if y'all could like, if one of y'all are watching this and y'all want to like start gaming lessons, go watch a video. You can like do like your gaming crap on here, and you can like switch like the settings and stuff, or it can be like way better performance or something. Pretty sure you can like do basically everything. Whatever you do, let me pause this video real quick. Whatever you do, do not go to normal Roblox. Do not go to normal Roblox on your thing, because when you go to normal Roblox and you try to sign in with here, it won't allow you to load into a game. It won't allow you to load into a game. You can like sign your account, all that crap, but it won't allow you to load into the game and stuff. It'll just pop up like an error message. You gotta go to new.gg, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to always get tickled. Make sure to subscribe and that like button for more tutorials like this, or if you want to watch more of my videos, because my videos are very entertaining and very enthusiasm. I have a lot of enthusiasm put in my videos. So if you enjoyed this, make sure to go watch my channel, and this will be on my channel too if you want to use YouTube. So watch the TikTok, but you do. Okay, y'all. Have a great day. Always get tickled.